Hello everyone, I have a HERO Duet over here and his oil tank cap is not working properly. See, whenever I'm trying to close it, it's open up automatically. It's not closing it. So we are going to repair it. If you look at the inside, it's showing me that this pin went under the circle. So if we have to make it comes out, then it can be locked. It's not. So what we have to do, we have to open this. We have to open this for these two and these two screws. Now what we need to open these 4 screws, we need spanner and a 10 size socket. This is the socket. Now we have opened these 4 bolts and we are going to remove this bolt along with the seat cover. We have some wires over here. So we have to open these wires. These are the wires joined. So we have to open these two and remove this cover totally. Now this one is the wire which is connected from front panel to the petrol cap, the tank cap, and we have a joint over here where we can adjust by rotating it. We can tighten up or we can loose it up. So we have to adjust it from here, then we will look if this point has come out or not. As soon as I have loosened it up, this point came out. Now we will see if the cap is still going to lock or not. Hey, has locked, so we have nothing to do over here. We will try it's going fine or not. Yes, it's opening. Oh, it's closed. Now it's working fine. It means we have done it correctly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now what we have to do, we have to assemble it again.